Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. In this video, we will learn how to find the area of an equilateral triangle. And we will try to derive the formula by using simple area of triangle formula. So let's suppose this is an equilateral triangle and we will name it as vertex as A, B and C. And we know that in equilateral triangle all the side length are equal. So suppose this side length is A, then this is also A and this is also A, and all the angles are also equal. Since the sum of all the angles of a triangle are 180, then each angle is 60 degree. So this is the property of a equilateral triangle. Now if we need to find out the area, so area of a equilateral triangle is root 3 divided by 4 multiplied by side length square. So here the side length is A, so we can write this as root 3 by 4 multiply A square. This is the area. Now if we need to derive this, then we will use the simple area of triangle formula. So this is A, this is B and this is C, and this length is A, this is also A. Since due to symmetry, if we will draw a perpendicular from A to this line BC, then this will divide this line BC into two parts of length A by 2 and A by 2. Now to find the area of this triangle, we need two things. First is base length and another is height. So 1 by 2 multiply by base multiply by height. So base length is given, that is A. So from here we can say that base is A. Now if we need to find the height, so height is AO. So we know that triangle AOC is a right angle triangle. Then we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? We can write this as AC square is equal to AO square plus OC square. We need to find the length of AO. So AC is A square. Then we can write this as A square is equal plus. So length of OC is A by 2. So we can write this as A square divided by 4. Now to find the length of AO, we will subtract A square by 4 from A square. So we can write this as A square minus A square divided by 4. So the A square is, this is 3A square divided by 4. Now if we will take the square root both sides, then we can get the length of AO. So it will be root 3A by 2. So if we will multiply this root 3A by 2, now we can easily find out the area by putting the values. So 1 by 2 multiply by A multiply by root 3A by 2. So if we will solve this, we will easily get root 3A square divided by 4. So this is the proof from the simple area of triangle formula. We can also derive this by using Heron's formula also. In that case, you have to put the length of all sides as A and then solve accordingly. Then also you will get this same answer. And if someone asks you to find the perimeter, so if someone asks you to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, then we have to sum all the sides, so it is 3A. So this is the simple thing. So based on this concept, I have written an example. Suppose if length of an equilateral triangle is 7 centimeter, then we have to find the area. So we just need to plug in the value of A as 7 in the above given formula. So we can write this as root 3 by 4 multiply by 7 square. So we can write this as 49 under root 3 divided by 4 centimeter square. So this is the required area of this equilateral triangle. So this is how we have learned basics of an equilateral triangle. And if you want to ask any other doubt regarding derivation or any other thing, then you can mention your doubt either in the comment box, or you can visit my website and sign up there and register your doubt. And a tutor will respond you immediately. I have also made a calculator based on this concept, and I will provide the link of that in the description box below, and you can also visit that, and please share that with your friends so that they can also get benefit of this. Thank you very much.